Mark the Meerkat here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, where I'm an analyst host to the GrokStar Trading Room and perhaps your future mentor. Let's take a look at two trades we had this morning, and this lesson is on the use of stops. The use of stops can be essential to your trading. So the first one was on Alibaba, BABA. This was early in the morning here, just coming up on the 10 o'clock hour. It had popped up here and it did a bull pullback, and that was high basing here right at 65 even dollar amount. So I set a trade just above that, and let's get ready to go long, and boom, there she goes. And I got in long here right at 65.18. Well, I went ahead and I set a stop right down here about just around 64.90 and getting ready to go, and my internet went out. Disconnected from Interactive Brokers, and I had to get on a hold of my internet provider, and we had to reboot this and the modem and this and the other thing. I was out for over 35 minutes. So what happened in the meantime? Thank goodness I had a stop in place, right? And let's see what happened here over those 30 some minutes. And I'm still there. Again, this is the stop right here. And I'm still out, and then bam, right here is where the internet came back in place. But I had stopped out right here at minus 0.4% in 29 minutes. But, you know, could I have made some money on this? Perhaps. I would have probably had my stop up here near break even after it broke out initially. But, you know, that's it. So the stop saved me from having a major loss on the trade at just minus 0.5%. That's okay. Then a second time, after now the internet's up and running and we're getting consistent readings, now we're on FEYE here, and it comes up here and it's in a bull pennant. Now bull pennant is just a symmetrical triangle at the top of a run up here, and so I'm ready to go long. So I set my trade here, and let's see what happened next. And boom, there I go. And I am now in here long at $12.54. And I went ahead and I set my stop right down here around the 1250, just below the 1250 area and that 20 moving average. So I have a couple of shields there. And my internet went out for a second time. This time it was only out for about 13 minutes. So again, I can't see any of this going on here. And look what happened here. It's going along, and then bam, right here, it bammed right down and got me out. And that was for minus 0.4% in 10 minutes. Again, a minor loss compared to what it could have been had I not had my stops in place. It's absolutely essential that you always trade with a stop. Of course, what happened after this, now I got my internet back, and we started playing it again, and it started to take off, and it was a lot of fun. This is Mark the Meerkat. Just remember that you always use a stop while trading in order just to protect your assets. And speaking of that, take a look at this message.